Welcome back to our YouTube channel where we explore the captivating world of home decor. In today's video, we are diving into the enchanting realm of Boho bedroom decor. Bohemian style embraces a laid-back, eclectic, and free-spirited ambience perfect for those seeking a space that reflects their individuality and creativity. So join us as we take you through this boho journey. Incorporate earthy tones and natural elements. A fundamental aspect of boho decor lies in embracing nature's charm. Start by selecting earthy tones such as warm brown, muted greens, and soft rectos for your wall bedding and furniture. Additionally, infuse natural elements like woven, rattan, jute, and wooden accents to create a harmonious connection with outdoors. Boho bedrooms are all about comfort and coziness. Lay down plush rugs, mix and match throw pillows with various patterns and textures, and drape flowy curtains to add depth and richness to your space. The combination of textiles will create an inviting and relaxed atmosphere in your boho heaven. Embrace vintage and eclectic furnishings. Bohemian style welcomes an eclectic mix of furniture pieces. Seek out vintage finds or upcycle items with character to add uniqueness to your bedroom. Whether it's an antique dresser, a quirky bedside table, or a cozy vintage armchair to let your imagination run wild. Dream canopy or tapestry. Elevate your sleeping area with a dreamy canopy or a captivating tapestry above your bed. This not only adds a touch of boho charm but also creates a dream-like focal point, making your bedroom feel like a place of relaxation and tranquility. Plants and flowers are vital elements in boho decor. Incorporate lush greenery through potted plants or hanging planters, as well as floral accents through artwork or patterned fabrics. Not only will this breathe life into your space, but it will also create a refreshing and invigorating ambience. Personal touches and artwork. Boho bedrooms are an expression of your unique personality and experiences. Showcase your favorite artwork, travel souvenirs, and personal mementos on the wall shelves or a gallery wall. This adds a deeply personal touch to your space and tells the story of your adventure. DIY macrame wall hangings. Macrame wall hangings are iconic in boho decor and are surprisingly easy to make. Add a touch of boho chic to your bedroom by creating your own macrame masterpiece. Hang it above your bed or a blank wall to instantly elevate the visual appeal of the room. You can also incorporate macrame plant hangers to add a green touch to your decor. Boho bedrooms often feature low-lying furniture pieces like floor cushions, puffs, or Moroccan-style ottomans. These not only provide extra sitting options but also add relaxed and informal vibe to the room. You can create a cozy reading nook or meditation corner by placing a few floor cushions near a window or under canopy. Layered bedding and textures create a sumptuous and inviting bed by layering different textures and patterns. Combine a mix of colorful quilts, patterned blankets, and soft throws for a boho chic look. Don't forget to mix and match your pillowcases using various sizes and designs to add depth and personality. Congratulations, you have now been introduced to a mesmerizing world of boho bedroom home decor. Thank you for joining us in this video to elevate your bedroom into a boho heaven. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and share and subscribe to our channel